Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to tell you guys about a credit card with Bank of America. Now I've been going over so many different credit cards and I want to make sure that you guys are fully understanding these credit cards, find out what they have to offer for those people that's looking to get like pre-approved for a credit card, find out if they can pre-qualify you if you're looking to do a balance transfer, find out if they can do a balance transfer. I want to give you all the details about these credit cards and hopefully you all will be able to get approved for these credit cards. Now, sometimes I am going to have a link down in the comments. It's going to take you to a blog post. So definitely check that out because it's going to be a full blog review on that credit card. And if you ever have any questions, definitely let me know. Now, let's go right on into this credit card. So the credit card that I want to talk to you guys about is a Bank of America customized cash rewards credit card. Now, this credit card do offer a bonus, which I really like. They have a $200 online cash rewards bonus. So um usually with these bonuses you have to spend a certain amount of money to get the bonus, and we'll see what's the requirement for that, but usually they will require that you do spend money to get that bonus. I like this one too because you are going to get 3% cash back, and well, maximum 3% cash back. You're going to get 2% cash back at grocery stores and 1% cash back on all your other purchases. And then also you're going to have to make sure that you spend at least $1,000 to be able to get that $200 online cash rewards bonus. So you got to spend $1,000 in the first 90 days to get that bonus, and that's within you opening your account. So that's usually just so that they just want to make sure that you're using your credit card. They want to make sure that when you get a credit card, that you're going to use it. You're going to put charges on it so that they could charge you interest. That's how credit cards get paid. They want to charge you interest. So they want to make sure that you're actually using that credit card. So that's why they're offering you that bonus. Now, make sure you spend $1,000 within the first 90 days, or you're gonna miss it. Now, you guys are going to get the 3% cash back in a category of your choice. So you can choose if you're big, if you spend a lot of money on gas, you may pick gas. Online shopping is definitely me. Dining, that's really good. I really like to use my Discover or maybe a different credit card, depending on what category it is for the cash back for dining, travel, drugstores, home improvements. You can pick which one you want to do, and then you'll be able to get cash back in that category. Now, make sure you pick a category that's not on your other credit cards. Like I said, too, like right now, Discover, we have it where we are able to get the cash back for our dining. So 5% cash back. I wouldn't want to use my credit card. I wouldn't want to pick a category at 3% if I'm going to get 5% at Discover. You get what I'm saying? So check and see where you're kind of missing your cash back and then pick that category because that's going to be the best category for you. So to change or choose your category for future purchases, you may go online. So go onto your mobile banking and your online banking to be able to change that. So you can change it once each calendar month. So that's really good. You can switch it up. Now, this is the part I like the most. You guys are going to be able to get 0% intro APR, which I really, really love. I like that you guys will be able to have that. I'm going to make it a little bigger for it so you guys can see it. Now, that's going to be for the first 18 billing cycles on your purchases and for balance transfer. But you got to make your balance transfer within the first 60 days. A lot of people have a lot of money on their credit cards. And when I say you have a lot of money on your credit cards, you have credit cards where you're spending you spent a lot of money on it. Say you have like a $5,000 or $6,000 balance. When you guys get approved for these credit cards, if you guys are paying interest on these credit cards and you're actually holding a balance, you're not paying off that full balance, then you may want to do a balance transfer and get that money moved on to this credit card, that $5,000 or $6,000 onto this credit card, because they're going to charge you 0% intro APR. So that means that you're not going to have to pay interest on those that balance. So that's why you guys want to do a balance transfer. If you guys have like 0% intro APR on whatever purchases, don't matter. Say if you was to have it for 12 months and you guys were to spend that money, just make sure that you pay off your balance in full before that 12-month mark, because if you guys were to keep a balance on your credit cards after that 0% intro APR period, they're going to charge you interest on that and they're going to backdate it. So I don't want them to do that. So when you first start using your credit card, when you first use those purchases, so you didn't pay them off, they're going to start charging you interest from that point forward. And it's no point in you having a 0% intro APR if you guys, you're not fully taking advantage of it. I hope you guys understand that fully. They are going to charge you a 3% fee, or $10, whichever one is higher. That's going to be a minimum fee. And that's normal for balance transfers. You can see this also like when you use other credit cards. They're going to sometimes charge you a fee. Some credit cards don't charge you a fee at all, and it's great to have those credit cards, but some is going to charge you a fee for that balance transfer. And they have other features that you're going to be able to have on this credit card. Now, I want you to know that Bank of America is most likely going to pull your Experian credit report, and sometimes they may pull TransUnion. You just want to make sure that you have your credit score high. I would try to say have your credit score over a 680, 720 if you can. And if you guys are having a hard time increasing your credit score, I am having my 60 points in 60 days, and this is going to make sure that nobody have an excuse for having their credit score low, because I'm going to teach you guys how to increase your credit score 60 points in 60 days. Now, this is something that you guys will see on Fridays most likely, or it's going to be different dates. It's free. I'm going to tell you guys 5 easy steps to increase your credit score. All of this information is something that can really help increase your credit score. I realize that's like something I'm really good at, helping people figure out what's on their credit reports, what's going on, and how to increase their credit score 60 days and 60 points in 60 days. So definitely make sure you guys check that out. You guys are going to see a link down below. Go ahead and register for it. And it's a free live event. I go live, I have a whole presentation, and I tell you guys how to increase your credit score 60 points in 60 days. And then not only do I tell you guys, but I actually follow along with the steps. So we're going to meet up more so I can tell you guys the further steps, and we can do some of these steps together. Sometimes you got to apply for a credit card if you guys don't have a credit card. Sometimes you got to pay down your credit cards. Sometimes you got to delete some of those inaccurate and negative accounts to your credit reports. It's just different for everybody, but I go over all the steps. And then wherever you messing up at, whatever you need help on, I have a live event for that problem that you have. Just come watch the live event. It's probably gonna be 30 minutes to an hour. You're gonna learn everything you need to learn. It's all gonna be free. You're gonna learn everything that you need to learn, and then during that event, we're gonna follow along and do it together. So definitely make sure you guys look at that link down below and sign up for it. I know this is gonna really help a lot of people. We have not even seen the results of COVID yet, like in terms of we haven't seen what's going to happen in terms of like the recession fully. This is just the beginning, you guys. And I really want people to make sure that they're increasing their credit score. Like increase your credit score right now and get credit cards or get loans now, so that even if you don't need it, you have it just in case. Because when it gets to the point where we go deeper into the recession, you're not going to be able to get credit cards like that. You're not going to be able to get loans like that. Kind of like what people trying to get a mortgage right now. It's hard to get a mortgage. It's going to be like that with credit cards and loans. So I want you guys to learn how to increase your credit score in 60 days, 60 points, so that you guys have a greater chance of getting that credit, and the recession just won't hurt you all that much. A lot of people in our community get set back by these recessions, so I want to make sure that I'm pushing us forward. Now, if you ever have any questions, definitely let me know. I have the link down below for this free webinar, and again, it's free. Come, I'm going to teach you guys a lot of stuff that I don't even tell you guys on the internet so much. I'm going to basically give up all the gems, so definitely come, and I'll see you guys in the next video.